In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Notetaker in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from your browser to automated notes and action items that keep your team moving. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. Click the official ClickUp website to open your workspace. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in the way you normally do so you can access your projects and calendar. Once you're inside ClickUp, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Planner. This view brings your schedule, upcoming meetings, and related work into one place, which is where the AI Notetaker will be most useful. Now, move to the upper right and open the settings for this view. Here, make sure you're connected to Google Calendar. This connection is important because it keeps your meetings synced with ClickUp, so the right events show up when you're using AI Notes. If it isn't connected, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize your Google account. A quick tip: confirm you're connecting the same calendar that holds your meeting invite to avoid confusion later. Next, click AI Notes. This opens the panel powered by ClickUp AI, designed to capture conversations and organize what matters without you having to type everything manually. When prompted, paste the link to your meeting. This can be a link from your calendar invite, like Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. The AI uses that link to reference the session and generate notes. Be sure you have permission to use AI note-taking or transcription for your meeting, and that the host has enabled the appropriate recording or caption options if required by your organization's policies. From here, the AI Notetaker does the heavy lifting. It captures key discussion points, calls out decisions, and produces a clear summary you can review. Most importantly, it identifies next steps and turns them into actionable tasks inside ClickUp, where you can assign owners, set due dates, and add context. That means you leave the meeting with a structured plan instead of loose, manual notes. This workflow becomes a central productivity system. Meetings connect directly to execution, reducing the chance of missed follow-ups and saving time. After the session, you can scan the summary, make quick edits, adjust task details, and share the notes with stakeholders. Because everything lives in ClickUp, your notes, tasks, and calendar stay aligned. And that's the process. Search for ClickUp, open Planner, check your calendar connection, launch AI Notes, and paste your meeting link. You're ready to run clearer, faster meetings with reliable automated documentation.